Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with another quick hair video. And this time this is going to be how I do my single braided ponytails. I re-dyed my hair like the second week of October. I did it because I was going out for my friend's 30th birthday, and I went ahead and went in and touched up my roots with some bleach. However, I did run out of bleach. There's that. I've been straightening my hair for before this a few times, and I was always trying to avoid trimming my ends, but after I dyed it, I was like, you know what, nah, we're just gonna start fresh. We're just going, you know what I'm saying? So we did. We trimmed it, and it actually came out really cute. So yeah, that is how it came out. So that is what this color is still from. But what I'm not gonna do is straighten my whole head because it's really late. But I do have my pressing comb on the stove just to go through the roots. And after I go through the roots, we're gonna get into this ponytail. Now, since this is just a straight back ponytail, I'm trying to slick the roots down so it could just be like
When is she gonna drop something new? I don't know. You'll probably hear it before me. Earlier I was getting this sense like you wanted to tell me something, but we got interrupted. I wanted to ask you.
So right here, I'm just making sure that I have a thick enough piece to match the thickness of my ponytail, and I'm using a rubber band to attach the braided hair to my hair. And as you guys can see, I'm placing the braided piece over my hair itself. However, what I should have done was not only wrap my hair within the rubber band that was attached to the braided hair, but my hair plus the braided hair itself, as if it was already one ponytail, because I do believe I started to struggle a little bit with figuring it out. 22. Less? Huh?
81.
Sheesh. Not 81. Damn, babe. Damn. Ooh. Expensive. Pricey. Real hot girl shit.
Electric 2021 Mustang Mach-E. Now every Mustang Mach-E has that kind of handling you come to expect from a Ponytail. And it goes like hell. 0 to 60 at 5.8 seconds. But we're now
on the wrong side.
Performance side now. We're also electrifying our most famous utility vehicles. And in 2022, both the E-Train and the legendary F-150 will be available in all so there's electric for
Custom Porsche. I like that one. Look at that color. Was it like a champagne pearl?
Purchase documentation. Man, 1984.
What? How much it cost?
Uh-oh. Toyota show.
They're the bags. Oh, the lady. She seen me. Look, we made eye contact. They're the bags, babe. They're a bag. Thank you.
There you go. Yeah. We finally official. We finally
Them trails, I never had to be that fire. Them trails was fire. She look good. Wow. Wow.
Oh, that shit hard.
Wow. I know you lying. This is crazy.
That's pretty nice.
Out the duck. I'm smoking out the top. It's a hybrid. Oh.